Hi, I'm Chris Timer, and thank you for your purchase here at Abbotsford Chrysler. You have now been turned over to the service department, and we're here to help you with all your servicing needs or if you have any sort of warranty concerns. Here, we're in the parking lot, and this is where you're going to enter coming into our dealership. And it has access 24/7, so you can drop off anytime you like. Of course, our business hours are listed on our website at abbotsfordchrysler.com. Check that out, and I'm going to move you on over to the key drop. If you are dropping off after hours, we have our convenient key drop located on the west side of our building. You just come in here, grab an envelope, fill it out there, and drop it into the slot below. Of course, during business hours, you come on inside and see one of our service advisors. And when you come in, you want to see one of our friendly service advisors here in the department. Our service department is also located on the west end of the building alongside our parts department.
Hey everyone, it's Roy here at Abbotsford Chrysler Service. We at Abbotsford Chrysler have 3 full-time service advisors to take care of all your vehicle needs. But what most of you don't know is we do have a full-time state-of-the-art business development center. Our full-time business development center is here to take all your calls for your appointments, recalls, repairs, and questions. Give them a call today, 604-625-1002 to book your next appointment.